Assalamu alaikum and good morning, Internet. Hope you're doing well. Islamabad, a city where nature meets modernity, is known worldwide for its charming beauty and city attraction. Surrounded by the rolling Margalla Hills, it's no surprise that Islamabad is often listed among the most beautiful capitals on the planet. Today, we are taking you to a hidden yet important gem near the city, Angoori Dam. This incredible structure not only offers peacefulness but also highlights Pakistan's commitment to sustainable water management and agriculture. Let's dive into its details, but first we should explore why dams are crucial for the world and for Pakistan in particular. Dear friends, dams are among the most important engineering achievements in the world, serving as lifeline for nations by managing water resources and generating power. The Hoover Dam in the United States of America, completed in 1936, stands as an icon of human creativity. It holds back Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States, with a capacity of 35.2 billion cubic meters, providing water and electricity to millions across Nevada, Arizona, and California. The Three Gorges Dam in China, the largest in the world, spans the Yangtze River with a storage capacity of 39.3 billion cubic meters and produces an amazing 22,500 megawatts of hydropower. Brazil's Itapu Dam, shared with Paraguay, produces 14,000 megawatts of electricity annually, highlighting the role of dams in fostering international cooperation. Friends, let's share information about Pakistan dams. So Pakistan, an agriculture country, depends heavily on its network of a number of dams. Iconic dams like Tarbela and Mangla are cornerstones of the national economy. Tarbela, located on the Indus River, also known as a basin, at a distance of 130 kilometers in district Sawabi, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, is the world's largest rock and earth-filled dam with a storage capacity of 14.3 billion cubic meters. It is used for controlled floods, sport fisheries, and provide irrigation water to millions of acres of farmland. Its installed capacity of the 4,888 megawatt Tarbela hydroelectric power stations will increase to 6,418 megawatt after completion of the planned fifth extension financed by Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and the World Bank. That it will be the 12th largest hydroelectric dam in the world for electricity production capacity. Similarly, Margalla Dam on the Jhelum River has a capacity of 7.25 billion cubic meters and plays a vital role in flood control, irrigation, and power generation. Now come to Angoori Dam. So this dam is a vital part of a number of Pakistan dams network located approximately 30 kilometers from Islamabad. Built on the Gorges River, It boasts a storage capacity of 25 lakh and 50,000 cubic meters, equivalent to 2,067 acre feet of water. Its primary purpose is to store water for irrigation and support local agriculture needs, directly benefiting the nearby communities. Managed under the administration of the Punjab Small Dams Organization, Angoori Dam is a proof to how focused water management can uplift both rural areas and urban borders. Its spillways are expertly designed to handle overflow during the rainy seasons, ensuring the safety of nearby settlements. Together, these dams contribute meaningfully to Pakistan's agriculture productivity, energy security, and water preservation, ensuring the country's growth and stability. Whether for generating hydropower, controlling floods, or supporting agriculture, dams worldwide represent the ability of nations to adapt to their needs and secure their future through resource management. Friends, reaching Angoori Dam is an adventure in itself. Ride-hailing services like Yango, Hoover and Kareen can get you here in about 30 to 40 minutes from Islamabad, with the scenic route offering sights of the lush countryside. The area around the dam is peaceful, making it an ideal spot for families, picnickers and photographers. While the still waters of the reservoir might tempt you for a swim, caution is advised. Deep waters can be dangerous, but you can enjoy the shallow areas with proper safety measures like life jackets. Remember, safety always comes first. Dear friends, Angoori Dam may not be as large as Tharbela or Mangla, but its importance lies in its role in supporting local agriculture and conserving water and offering a peaceful haven for visitors. It reproduces Pakistan's efforts to harness its natural resources effectively. As we conclude our journey to Angoori Dam, we leave with a deeper appreciation for the vital role this hidden gem plays in water conservation and supporting local communities. From its quiet surroundings to its critical purpose in irrigation and flood control, Angoori Dam is not just a peaceful retreat, but a proof to Pakistan's commitment to defensible development. Dams like this are the unsung heroes of progress, ensuring water security, boosting agriculture, and shaping a brighter future. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope it inspires you to explore the wonders of Pakistan and appreciate the transformative powers of these incredible structures. Hope you liked today's vlog. Next week, we will visit some more places of importance in Islamabad, and we'll try to share information with you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.